Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to terminate an employee in Paycom from app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To terminate an employee using Paycom mobile app, you'll need to utilize the Manager on the Go feature, which allows managers to perform essential HR tasks remotely. Now in order to do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Paycom app and then simply log in with your managerial credentials. Then once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to the Manager on the Go section within the app, and this feature enables manager to perform various HR tasks including employee termination. Then next is to create a personal action form, that is PAF, by simply selecting the create new personal action form. Then choose the employee you wish to terminate from the list, then set the action type to termination, and then enter the termination date and reason for termination. Then provide any additional required information such as final paycheck details and benefits information. And after reviewing the information for accuracy, submit the personal action form. The form will be routed for approval as per your organization workflow. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.